Guys, very sad today. And her sad today. He said to cause his friend died. His friend dog. And his name is Cookie. Like, look at this. This is where the dog got here. And they are best friends. And he died because of the bleed nose. And it wasn't even ordinary bleed nose. It was a bleed nose that doesn't ever stop. It lasted for one day, and we tried everything to save Cookie, but it was already too late because now he's dead. I cried too much because he is gone forever, and he is in heaven now, and he can rest in peace. R.I.P. Cookie. I will always remember you.